Wondering to start a new business and still can't decide the business structure for your new business, like you want to go for the traditional partnership firm or an LLP or a private limited company. So in this video, I will tell you the 5 benefits of LLP over the partnership firm and a private limited company. The first and the foremost benefit of LLP is that it has a limited liability. So the members of an LLP, their personal assets are protected from the business liabilities of the LLP, unlike the partnership firms. Partnership firms may, the partners of the partnership firms, their personal assets are liable to be sold for the business liability of the company. They are not protected. But in LLP, the partners of the LLP has the limited liability. That means their personal assets are protected from the business liabilities of the company. Second important benefit of LLP is that it is a distinct legal entity to its members. That means it can employ, it can buy, it can sell, it could be held accountable for the business, it could sue people, it can be sued. So LLP is altogether, in the eyes of law, is a distinct entity. Third important benefit of LLP is that it gives you a flexibility. The operations of the business, the profit sharing of the between the members, these are all decided by an LLP agreement, which is obviously a written agreement between the partners. So the partners, before going further, they can mutually decide about the operations, profit distribution, and anything, the liquidation or anything for the LLP, and they can write it down into a written agreement, which gives you more flexibility and freedom to run the operations of the business, which is unlike the traditional partnership firms and the private limited company. Fourth important benefit of LLP is this benefit is more over the private limited company. It avoids a double taxation. Now, what is double taxation? For example, there is a private limited company. The private limited company makes certain profits. That profits are taxed as per the Income Tax Act. But when that company distribute that profits as dividend to its shareholders, that profit is also taxed as a dividend distribution tax, which is not in the case of an LLP. That means if there is a profit in LLP and LLP has already paid income tax on the profit, then those profit, when it is distributed among the partners of the LLP, among the members of the LLP, those are not taxed again. This is a major advantage of an LLP over a private limited company. The profits are not taxed again. The double taxation on the distribution of profits is avoided. Fifth benefit of an LLP over the private limited company is that there are lower compliances of an LLP as compared to a private limited company, and lower compliances obviously adds up significantly to the advantages of a limited liability partnership. Why? Because in limited liability partnership, apart from the ITRs and GST returns, there are certain annual returns, solvency returns that you need to file. That's it. Nothing else you need to do. But whereas in a private limited company, there are certain compliance, like to do KYC, you have to file annual returns, you have to file, MDT 14, PS3, etc., etc. The compliances, MSME, in private limited company, you have to file the MSME forms also, DPT3 forms also. So in a private limited company, the compliances are higher as compared to the LLP, and LLP, the compliances are low, plus the LLP is registered accordingly, and it has a limited liability partnership, and it gives you more flexibility in the operations of the business. Choosing the right business structure is very crucial for your business. And apart from these 5 points that I told you in the video, the right business structure also depends on what you want from the business. Like, you have to make a plan, like 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, and see where you want your business to grow. And that also adds significantly in choosing the right business structure of your business.